Hi guys, today we're doing a watercolor galaxy painting. First thing about doing watercolor, you paint your whole sheet with just clear water. This is to help spread the paint. Next, when you're applying the paint, you want to get a lot of it. You want it to be really opaque, and you want the colors to be really dark, because everyone knows that watercolor dries lighter than when it was wet. So I'm adding a couple different colors, purples, 2 different blues, and a magenta. And then I'm leaving a little bit of a white space in the middle because I want to try to make a focal point in the middle, sort of recreate a Milky Way look. Then we're going to add some alcohol. We're going to spray it on while the paint is still wet. If you do it when it's dry, it won't work. We're going to do some streaks here and there to show maybe some stars or some comets, falling stars. And then we also want to add some regular table Mortrin salt. This is also when the painting is still wet. If you try to do it when it's dry, again, it won't work. So the salt, it absorbs all the water and the paint. So you're going to get a nice texture after the painting is dried. Just to speed up the process, I used a hairdryer, but it's really best to just let it naturally dry. Then we're going to add some acrylic paint and spray it on top, maybe draw some stars and comets again. We want to get different random shapes, small and big. Then I love using this Uniposca painting pen, and then the Signo, the white pens, the ink gel pens. These 2 are the best in the industry. I think they stand out well on watercolor paintings. And voila! You get your wonderful galaxy painting with alcohol and salt technique. Check the link below for all the tools that were used. Subscribe, like, share to your friends, and check out the link below for all your tools.